So what is up, everybody? We are back with another video, and in today's video we're going to be taking a look at Turbo once again. Turbo hasn't been doing too great since the past weeks, but we're going to be taking a look at why this might be a chance of recovery and why this is a golden chance for you to buy the dip right now. So before we do start the video, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what you think about Turbo, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get right into the video and head over to our screen. So we're over at our screen and we're currently looking at Turbo. It is priced at around 0.20397, up around 8.6% in the past 24 hours, which is pretty good. Market cap $273 million and volume at $50.6 million. A little bit down from yesterday, but still pretty decent and also keeping up as well. So graph of today's looks pretty decent. If we take a look at the weekly, we are still down about 20% in the past 7 days. So again, it isn't doing too well. Monthly, we are down 52%. So all of these numbers are all red numbers. If we actually go ahead and take a look at Turbo on the chart right here, and we could see that this was the graph that we were looking at Turbo. So again, if we just do a quick overview, this is the range Turbo is at right now, and it has touched this range many times in the past. We could see once, or the first time right here, it just went flying through. Second time, third time, fourth time, fifth time, sixth time, and this is the seventh time it has hit this range. We could see it did hit the bottom, and obviously we did see a break above that as well. We did see a 50% jump from the low from this range, and we could see it's kind of consolidating right now just above this range. It did go above, hit back a couple of times, and it's still kind of consolidating at this range. And we could see every time we have hit this range, we have seen a crazy pump. Even if we look at the first time, this was up 171%, and the second time 95%, and so on. We've seen such crazy pumps just happening with Turbo every time it has seen this range, and we are seeing this range once again. We can see this is the chart. It's playing out. Obviously it's currently not doing too much since the market is calm. If we look at what Bitcoin and everything is doing for today, only about 0.2% up, 0.6% up, so nothing too good on the daily. But Turbo on the other hand is up more than 8% in the past 24 hours. So we could already see how better it is doing from the rest of the market. And after this range, we could most likely see that it just bounced back from this range. It didn't go below. If we did go below, that would have been obviously a problem, because this is a very crucial support range. But as we can see, we did just jump back, and this will most likely result in another just pump forward, whether it be a 2x, whether we could go to the 0.206 or 7 range after this pump. So again, still looking very forward to when the pump is coming, and most likely it is coming soon after we do kind of consolidate on this range. But most likely we will be seeing another pump from this range. So if we go back, we already know that our graph for the monthly isn't too great. Obviously we have seen the previous all-time high, which was around 1.4 cents, and we are down about 72% from the all-time high and 79 at the low. So this is pretty big numbers that we are down. And even if it just goes back to the previous all-time high, even if we go back to 1.4 cents, this is a 260% from the current price range, which is, again, even if it goes back to the all-time high, this would easily be more than a 3x of your money. So now is a great time to actually buy in, lower your average if you have bought in higher, and just kind of load up on your bag. Again, this is by no means financial advice. Do make sure to do your own research first before you get into any of these meme coins. But historically, looking at what Turbo has done, every time it has hit this range, it has most of the time bounced back. And by what we're seeing so far with Turbo doing what it's doing at this range, it will most likely bounce back one more time and see more pumps in the future as well. If we look at what the current community is saying 91% of the community is still bullish. Few people realize that meme coins work like buying big name cryptos with leverage but without the risk of liquidation. Their volatility can lead to massive gains when the market turns bullish. Turbo is the strongest blue chip meme coin right now, listed on over 100 exchanges with a growing community. Unlike short-term hype coins, Turbo has real staying power. As crypto winter fades and money flows back in, holders will see explosive gains. If we do take a look at the website, we could obviously see the huge list of the Turbo exchange listings. It is listed on 120 exchanges right now, and most of them, it is on most of the bigger exchanges: Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, Kraken, OKX, and many, many more. This list is absolutely a huge accomplishment for any of these meme coins, and for this coin to have such a strong back end, it definitely says a lot about the longevity of this coin. We could see Turbo will hit 10 cents or more, trust my word. Turbo calm before the storm when the tables turned. Get ready for a turbo load. Everyone get ready to make a lot of money. Exciting times are ahead. The future is bright. We see, let's keep the momentum going, Turbo fam. We get to determine sentiment surrounding this coin. Retail investors use CoinMarketCap to get information to make investment decisions. Be optimistic, hodl, fill up your bag, and let's send this little toad to the moon. Who cares what other financial markets are doing? So who is with me? We see a lot of people voted 35 hearts. We see 15 up arrows and a ton more going on as well. So we can see the community is very, very bullish on this coin, and that is obviously something that is holding this community together. And with such huge potential, such huge backend, this is most likely made for going crazy. And looking at where it is right now, it is such at a crucial support that it will most likely bounce back from this range, and we will see another pump, if not higher, at least a 2x coming very, very soon. So again, that was about it for this video, guys. In this video, we did take a look at Turbo, what it's doing so far, and I know it's not doing too great, but it is just calm before the storm. This is now your time to fill up your bags if you haven't already and lower your average. So do make sure to look into the coin. If you did enjoy the video, hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what you think about this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.